Nakita namin immigration to po ba? Kasama rin po yung mga Bago, Taiwan, Taipei, Incheon, Macau, and what else, Steve? Ayun, no? Yun ang
Actually, yung mga international, yung mga malalamig pa rin. Yung medyo kasi ngayon, di ba?
Hong Kong, yeah.
Pa-summer pa lang din naman dun sa ibang mga destinations.
Nasa spring, no?
Pa-spring.
Pa-spring ngayon, yes.
Sir, going back,
That we're expecting high traffic going to all these vacation spots, both domestic and international. Alam po nating mainit summer, right? So we have our Santan products. These are all the food products that AirAsia is offering. And now with what we would like to actually build awareness on is that we serve in flight what we call our Halo Halo. Okay? And our Halo Halo is actually not only can be booked online, but you can also order your Halo Halo inside the aircraft, within your flight.
Very Filipino siya.
Filipinos po ito.
Ngayong Semana Santa para ahead of time napaplano po natin yung ating hassle-free journey ngayong Holy Week. Opo, meron pong AirAsia Group Policy, yung aming procedures po submitted for review and approval na po ng CAAP. So ito po, this will be a permanent thing since part po siya ng procedures po ng AirAsia. So ang kailangan po namin talagang ma-increase yung awareness ng mga pasahero dahil alam namin na maya't maya wala pong hindi naman po porket domestic flight or short flight hindi ka gagamit ng power bank. So there are instances na gagamit ka rin talaga. But we would like to advise na i-charge po natin yung ating mga devices habang nasa airport, and then pag nasa aeroplano na po tayo, sundin po natin yung policy.
No, 100,000 for the 7 days. Monday up to Easter Sunday. So 100,000 approximately booked passengers already.
Pero yung for today up until Friday, may forecast na kayo?
Wala pa po. But right now, I just reviewed our notes. Lumalabas po na there's a increase in traffic of passengers are already started to enjoy their vacation. And, yeah, going back. But now, it's not only domestic leisure routes. Even our non-leisure routes, meaning magbabakasyon din po yung mga pasaheros po namin doon sa kanilang kanya-kanyang probinsya.
Last year, 150,000 yung lumipad during the Holy Week. Around 150,000. We're expecting to reach the target as well this year.
Mag-exceed po yung 100. Yung 100,000 book na po yun. Baka tama si Steve, baka ma-reach po natin approximately 150,000, Steve, right?
Kasi yung passenger booking behavior naman, it happens mga at least 5 days before their travel. So dyan talaga madalas nagbo-book yung mga pasahero natin. So we're expecting a surge, an increase. 100,000 yung book na, but we're expecting more because yun nga, dun sa mga last minute na bumabiyahe.
Pero kumusta yung availability?
Meron pa rin po. But of course, no, ang naunang mataas ang load factor ay mga leisure routes po. Katulad po ng Bohol at saka Tagbilaran, at saka Katiklan, going to Boracay.
Saka yung mga laging paalala lang, kasi yung iba, di ba, pag nasa boarding gate na, naiiwan ng eroplano, kapag sila kung saan-saan pa nagpupunta, tandaan po natin, may 20 minutes before departure time ng eroplano, masasara po talaga yung gate. So, dapat po nandoon na po tayo para hindi po tayo maiwan, makinig po tayo sa announcement. Ito po mga simple lang. Pero lagi po itong siguro nakakaligtaan, no, na importante na 20 minutes before departure time, nandoon po tayo sa gate, narinig po natin yung announcement para hindi po tayo maiwan ng eroplano. And at the same time po, pag bumiyahe po tayo at magkaroon po ng aberya, yung aming customer happiness team, meron po kaming Terminal 2 para mag-facilitate po ng mga rebooking or mag-offer ng mga service recovery options. So during the duration po, nung always ready ngayong Semana Santa, nandoon po yung customer happiness team natin. At saka kung meron po silang concerns, no, regarding change flight or anything, pwede po nilang i-visit yung AirAsia Move app May Ask Bo feature po doon. Madali po nilang masasagot yung mga tanong natin regarding our flight. Yung AirAsia po, meron kami mga flexible options pagdating sa mga bagahe. Importante po na ma-access po nila yon sa AirAsia Move app o di naman po kaya sa airasia.com. Importante na kung gusto nilang makamura, talagang mag-pre-book sila ng bagahe. So from 20 kilograms, may 30 kilograms, meron din pong 40 kilograms. Wala naman pong limit as to the number of baggage na pwede ninyong dalhin. Ang importante lang po, if i-book niyo yun online, mas mura po talaga by as much as mga 10 to 20%. Pero pag nasa check-in counter po tayo, of course, strictly ine-enforce pa rin po yung baggage allowance, gawa ng meron din po tayong tinitimbang din po kasi talaga lahat ng mga bagahe natin. But I highly suggest, i-pre-book po natin yung baggage, yung ating meals, pwede rin po yung seats para po pag dating po natin sa airport, hassle-free yung ating pagbiyahe.